Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Bexley in Land O'Lakes, and we're going to start this flat two-car garage. So what Lauren's right now doing is she's pre-conditioning the cap so it grinds a little easier. So pretty straightforward job. This is going to be a flat job. Here's some details around the hot water heater we're going to do. There's some additional construction material to remove. The lead-in edge just has a little bit of extra material on, but what we're going to do is we're going to flatten that out and round it over. And what we're going to do too is we're going to sand and fill the expansion joints for a seamless surface. So we put this on, and that's going to get into the cap. It's going to make life a little easier. So let's get started. Okay, just a quick segment to show our progress. So you can see we got that cure and seal off the deck here, and we got down to bare concrete. Here's where we filled in the expansion joints for the seamless surface. A couple minor patches here and there, not too much. So over here is a little bit complicated with the details. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up and over onto this deck with the epoxy and the chips. And again, this is a flat floor. So there's going to be no baseboards. Here's we did a lot of work to the lean-in edge. It's all ground back, straightened out. Got rid of all that loose material. It's rounded over now. So we're gonna have a good lead-in edge. So let's get this floor in. Okay, all finished up with our two-car flat garage. So this was a full grinding. Some small repairs. We did sand and fill the expansion joints for that seamless look. Here's the detail around the hot water heater. Now, when we refer to baseboards, we would have put this perimeter around the whole garage, but the customer opted not to have it. So this is full chip, polyaspartic top coat. And this color is Nightfall. Okay, here's where we straightened out and rounded over the lead-in edge. This apron was actually very clean. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.